Hey, what's going on guys? It's Ping Rob, and today we're going to talk about how to access the internet using Windows XP in 2023. So as you can see, I've got the VirtualBox interface pulled up because if you followed my last video on how to set up Windows XP in a virtual machine, you may have the internet disconnected from it by default. To connect it, go ahead and go to your settings, go to Network, ensure the network adapter is enabled, go under Advanced, and check Cable Connected. We're going to hit OK. Go into Settings again, we're going to Storage, click on the empty CD drive, and we're actually going to insert a custom ISO file that I made. Which I have here in ROMs, XP, right there. And I'm going to include this file in a link in the description so that way you can download it for yourself. This is the installer for an application we're going to need to access the internet on Windows XP. Go ahead and click Open, and then click OK. And now we're ready to go ahead and start the virtual machine. Now, if you've used Windows XP before, you're probably thinking, okay, all I need to do is go into the Start menu, open Internet Explorer, and then try to open a website. But when you try to do so, give it a second here, it's not going to let you do that. That's because most modern websites use HTTPS. The S stands for security. Unfortunately, that security requires certain security patches that were never made for Windows XP because it's simply too old. So what we're going to do is we're going to install a browser that already has those SSL certificates installed. Since I have the CD inserted, I'm going to go to my computer, open the ISO, and we're going to go ahead and copy this file. Go back, C drive, Documents and Settings, our user profile. Actually, this just an easier way to do this. Go to Start, My Documents. I'm just going to go ahead and paste it right here into My Documents. Why not? And we're going to go ahead and run the installer. English, next. I'm going to go with the standard installation, click next. I'm going to make sure that use K-Meleon as my default web browser is selected, click install. Alrighty, and it's going to say that it has finished installing. If you don't get this screen, it's probably because you forgot to copy the install file from the ISO to a folder on the C drive. If it didn't work, just go ahead and cancel the installation wizard, copy the executable over to a folder, and then try again. But for now, we're going to go ahead and click Finish. And we have our browser. So what we're going to do is we're going to demonstrate that it works. Haha, it works. Let's try another one just for good measure. And we're going to get this sometimes, that's okay. There you go. Yay! So now we are able to browse the web with Windows XP. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now.